You knew you should have closed. You didn't. By Monday morning, months of work gone. Whether you're trading your own personal or a funded account, it's the same story. A revenge trade, a loss held too long, a position left over the weekend. One bad moment and everything you built is gone. Meet KT Equity Protector EA, built for both. A personal trader protecting your own capital or a funded trader protecting a challenge. The EA adapts. The dashboard adapts. Protection is built around you, not the other way around. Install it on one chart, it watches your whole account. Max drawdown, profit target, trailing equity, weekend close, daily loss for prop firms. The second a line is crossed, it closes everything for you. And if you choose, it removes every other EA from your terminal. Nothing can retrade. No revenge. No second chances. Locked. No 50 input panel. A plain English wizard sets your rules in 2 minutes. Once. Walk away from the screen on Friday and know your account is safe. Sleep through Sunday gaps. Lock in your winning week. Or pass your prop firm challenge and hold the funding without watching every tick. Every event logged. Every setting saved. Survives crashes, restarts, weekends, anything you throw at it. KT Equity Protector EA. Set it once, trust it always.